Today, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Shopify to QuickBooks. Let's get to the video. Now, as you guys can see, I'm in the Shopify's page. All you got to do is head down to the bottom and then you're going to click on settings. You're going to make sure, look on the right section where you see a lot of options. You're going to make sure and click apps and sales channels. So go ahead and click on that and it'll take you to the same page with these two apps already installed. At least those are what I have installed currently. But go ahead and click on apps and sales channel. Now, once you click on that, you're going to go ahead and click on the top. It says Shopify App Store. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and type in QuickBooks. So go ahead and type in QuickBooks. And then you're going to click this option right here, QuickBooks Online Go Global. And then it's going to take you to this page. What you're going to do is you're going to hit install. And once you install, you got to go ahead at the top. And then it's going to ask you if you wanted to connect it to a QuickBook. And if you don't have a QuickBooks online as yet, you could go ahead and start a free trial and sign up. And if you do, you could go ahead and just connect to QuickBooks. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm going to show you guys what happens after you guys signed in. But basically, after you're done signing in, you're going to want to go ahead and sync both of the datas from the two platforms. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go up here in the apps and sales channel, and you're going to go ahead and refresh it. And then it's going to take you, you're going to see Outbook Online Global shows up now. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the app that just appeared, the QuickBook Online. And then we're going to want to sync both of Shopify and QuickBook together. Like I said, once you're in this section, you're going to go ahead and click on QuickBooks Online. And then in this section, it's going to be an option that's going to allow you to sync QuickBooks with Shopify. And you could sync a lot of different settings together so that things could run smoothly for you, like your sales tax setting, customers' orders, your orders, and inventory. It can help you keep your accounting records up to date, and it can help you keep it very accurate. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.